Today I'm gonna tell you how to make a clock with paper plate. You choose a paint. This is 3 paints. I choose the blue one and I spread it all like this. And I do it like this. I get some paint and dip it in water and I spread it over the plate. And then we will do the next step. We will get chart paper and cut it over like this. And then we get UHU and then we tape. Then we paste it like this and a paper plate of blue paint. And these are numbers to 1 to 12. And I have 2 needles here. One is smaller, one is bigger. And the smaller one tells the hours and the bigger one tells the minutes. I have UHU here.